my refrigerator, and I will be putting you guys inside it. So, here's the inside of my refrigerator, and I'm gonna put you guys inside of it. Close it up and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take you guys back there and have fun. How was it? Okay, now we're gonna put you on the bottom area. Bottom area. What's this down here? Okay, and now we're gonna put you this area where my milk is. Right here. There. Okay, now I'm gonna put you guys in this drawer, which is pretty messy, but I don't care. That's why I'm dirty. I can clean it. Goodbye. Bye. Do I have any other areas? Well, I didn't put you guys in this one. So I'm thinking about putting you guys in this one. So I'm gonna put you guys in this area for my ornaments on. Okay. Okay, do I have one more place? I have this place. I'm gonna put it like this. Can you guys see me? No. Okay. Wow. That was cool. Well, that's it. Next I'm gonna put you guys in my washing machine. Actually, I'll put you guys in here. Actually, no, bye.